So you are interested in Crock-Pot SCR300-SS. No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 slow cookers on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 slow cookers, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the Crock-Pot SCR300-SS. If you're looking for the best slow cooker, we'd recommend the Crock-Pot SCR300-SS. This Crock-Pot 3-quart round manual slow cooker provides you the flexibility to prepare a meal early and then have it slow cook all day, so you can come home to a nutritious, home-cooked meal in the evening. It's a healthier, more cost-efficient and convenient way to cook. This slow cooker cooks on high or low settings, and the warm setting can be used to keep your dish at ideal serving temperature. The trendy hexagon design of this slow cooker is the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.